Do's and don'ts of using baking soda in your skincare routine. Do's. Always perform a patch test before using baking soda on your skin to check for any adverse reactions. Mix baking soda with water or a gentle cleanser to create a paste for application. Use baking soda as a gentle exfoliant to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Apply baking soda paste directly to acne or blemishes to help reduce inflammation and bacteria. Don'ts. Avoid using baking soda too frequently as it can lead to skin irritation and dryness. Do not apply baking soda to sensitive areas of the skin, such as around the eyes or on irritated skin. Refrain from mixing baking soda with harsh ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar, as it can cause skin damage. Rinse off baking soda paste promptly after use to prevent irritation and maintain skin balance. Remember these tips to ensure safe and effective use of baking soda in your skincare routine. That's it. Remember all these do's and don'ts while using baking soda. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to The Vitamin Doctor for more health and beauty tips. Stay radiant.